You guys, so check it out. This is another 5-ton condensing unit that we're modifying to hot gas reheat. This particular one, as you can see, this is how it starts. We strip them completely down. This machine was manufactured in 2021 or 2022. It was only used for a couple years in Oklahoma, and then that place closed down, and so the equipment was taken out and sold. So we bought a bunch of these taken out units. So you can see the coil's a little bit dirty. So we're going to start by cleaning it. First we'll hose it out, then we're going to chemical clean it, get this thing back to looking new. We'll fix up any dented fins too as we put this together. Then what we're going to do is repipe this thing so it's a hot gas reheat system instead of just straight cooling. So what hot gas is instead of the hot gas being discharged through the outdoor condenser like your normal air conditioner does, we take that hot gas and we pipe it inside. And so we're going to add a third pipe to this setup, and we'll have a third pipe called the hot gas line, and that will be going to a new coil that's installed in the inside air duct area. So more information on that. So on that unit I just showed you outside, this is the compressor that's going to go in it. It's a brand new 61,000 BTU. Why do I point that out? Because 5-ton units don't come with 60,000 BTU compressors in them any longer. They used to, but for service duty and replacement, we can still buy the bigger, larger displacement 5-ton. You would think a 5-ton is a 5-ton, but in my industry, we're allowed to use nominal values. That means about 5 tons. So today, most 5-tons are actually only a 4.5-ton unit. So this is the compressor that's going in it. If you didn't know, a replacement compressor like this, I paid $1,100 for this a year ago, so I'm sure they've gone up. So compressors are not cheap. If you've got working units that have failed parts like the condenser coil leaked, you need to save your compressors because they have great value. We just saved GLK over $4,000 in replacement compressors by taking out their used compressors from good units that the coils had gone bad and installing them in these units that I showed you outside. And so once this unit is all hooked up and ready to go, and it's got its hot gas valves installed and its hot gas service valve installed, and we add a few components in the electrical compartment, like we're going to add start components to the thing, low ambient control. We make a special reheat plug and play kit for hot gas now. It's exclusive to our setup because we do it different than the way factories do hot gas setups. Most hot gas setups from the factory, they are made for your office or the mall and not really for grow room environments. So we figured out, from working exclusively in grow room environment, how to make hot gas work best for the cannabis industry. And so we've got a kit just for that too. Check out this attention to detail, what we're doing with this unit. So, you know, if you buy a used unit from us, we have gone through it from top to literal bottom, right? Who's going to take the fucking condenser coil out for you? Right? Who's going to do this? Who's going to take your condenser coil completely out just to clean the bottom of a fucking air conditioner? Well, I could tell you who. Okay, so look how nice and clean and pretty it is down inside there. Our brand new compressor, about to get a new job and a new life.